Hey, I'm Bertram, co-founder and CEO at Zumvie. Zumvie helps software engineering managers to optimize their productivity. We save companies thousands of dollars in doing so. I want you to meet John. He is one of 4 million global engineering leaders. He manages 8 engineers. He spends 5 hours every week in one-on-ones. One-on-ones are so important to him because he gets to know the developers from both a working and personal perspective. Not having effective one-on-ones means reduced productivity and even worse, developers leaving. Yet, there are serious issues with doing those one-on-ones. Most engineering managers resort to Google Docs for this. They have to copy-paste templates, work with different tabs, combine tools to make the one-on-ones work with their workflows, and beg engineers to add in agenda items. Overall, engineering managers lose hundreds of hours every year in ineffective one-on-ones. After speaking with 300 engineering managers and showing them countless demos, we have designed the best one-on-one meeting tool for engineering managers. This is Zumvie, and this is how the app works. You have a dashboard to see your team, see skipped one-on-ones, see what happened in the ones that went ahead, and see what's coming next. When you're in the meeting, you have the full flexibility of a Google Doc, but there's a widget you can click on to quickly understand what you should be discussing next. Everyone makes action items in these one-on-ones, but it's very hard to remember to do them, especially when you manage many people. Zumvie shows you how to do from your one-on-ones. Our solution is laser focused on the needs of the engineering manager. Therefore, we believe this is the best one-on-one meeting tool for engineering managers. The international market for engineering productivity tools is roughly at $5 billion. For some context on that, a company with 100 engineers already spends up to $6,000 per month on engineering productivity tools alone. Today, there's 100,000 software companies, and it will grow to 1 million by 2027. You might have heard of Jira. It's a de facto project management tool in engineering. 80% of engineering teams use Jira across 200,000 organizations. At Zumvie, we are starting out as a Jira add-on, meaning that we are at the center of action for more than 200,000 organizations and the majority of developers worldwide. Our plan is to piggyback off of that organic growth. Building on Jira provides us with 4 huge benefits in the market adaptation of our engineering tools. First, we're not asking the teams to adopt a new tool. This is called tool fatigue, and there is none of that with us. Second, Jira's inbuilt payment gateway handles the payments. This means that companies can give us a try and start a trial with a click of a button. And if they continue after the trial, the subscription cost will be added to their Jira bill. Next, Jira handles most of the data. This means there is built-in privacy, a big concern for our target market. And most importantly, there's a huge organic reach on Jira. 226,000 companies use Jira. This is a fantastic market entry for us. We charge $2.50 per user per month for every person on an organization's Jira license. Since day one, we have been doing a lot of content and community building. Thousands of engineering leaders have visited our site in the past 30 days. And they're starting to convert this traffic into trials. We're also doing a lot of cold outreach to introduce companies to Zumvie. Countless companies are browsing the Jira app marketplace and finding us. It's quickly becoming the leading enterprise app store. In the future, once we have built up enough recognition on the Jira marketplace and gain traction, we don't want to stop at Jira, but instead move organizations off Jira for a more robust standalone solution. This will go hand in hand with our current go-to-market strategy, and we can turn all of our marketing efforts into an enterprise sales playbook. We have spoken with hundreds of engineering managers to date. We already have strong distribution channels, and we are like a plane about to take off. The app was launched in October. With the current go-to-market plan, we expect to hit $5,000 MRR by the end of the year. Next year, we want to scale by attracting more users, building new products, and building a standalone solution. Our goal is to hit $60,000 in MRR by the end of next year. After, we'll be ready for our solution to be sold as a standalone app with additional features at a higher price point, rapidly increasing our annual revenues. For this, we're raising $500,000. We can scale our team to 10 in-house members, 5 in development and 5 in marketing and sales. That gives us an 18-month runway. The founding team consists of myself and my co-founder Arturs. My experience is in product and marketing. It's my second startup. I built my last one to 100,000 users. Arturs has 7 years of experience as a software engineer. He was a team lead at Twilio. He has a master's in computer science, and he's a very talented software engineer. We met in school and have been friends for the past 15 years. We are building a suite of tools for engineering managers. If you are ready to take off with us, please scan the QR code.